problems. So your fifth problem in your exercise 2. So a car covers 2 by third of what is it distance with the speed v1. Next here 3 by fifth of distance with the speed v2. So sorry, 2 by 5 of distance, 2 by fifth of distance with the speed v1. Next 3 by fifth of distance with the speed v2. Find average speed. Then find average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken, therefore distance means first distance plus next distance s2 by time taken is t1 plus t2. Here v is equal to s by t. From this, what is that? T is equal to s by v. Here first distance value is mentioned and second distance value is also mentioned. Time values are not mentioned, so that's why we can convert the equation in terms of given values. So average speed is equal to 2 by 5 of s plus 3 by 5 of s divided by, so 2 by 5 of s by v1 plus 3 by 5 of s by v2. Therefore s by 5 take common. Here what you are getting? 2 plus 3 divided by s by 5 also take common. So 2 by v1 plus 3 by v2. S by 5 get cancelled. So 5 divided by, then average speed is equal to 5 divided by 2v2 plus 3v1 by v1 v2. Take into numerator 5v1 v2 divided by 2v2 plus 3v1 whole. Right. So a car covers 1/3 of distance with the speed 10 km per hour. Next 1/3 of distance with the speed, what is that? 20 km per hour. Next 1/3 of distance is covering with speed 60 km per hour. Find average speed. Then find average speed. What is the average speed formula? Total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time. So total distance nothing but first distance, second, third. S by 3 plus S by 3 plus S by 3 by next time values. Okay, t1 plus t2 plus t3. V is equal to s by t. From this t is equal to s by v. Therefore s by 3 by speed v1, s by 3 by v2, s by 3 by v3. Right? Average speed is equal to s by 3. Take common. 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by s by 3. Take common. 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. So s by 3 get cancelled. So 3 by, take LCM. Here v2 v3 plus v3 v1 plus v1 v2 divided by v1 v2 v3. Take into numerator. Average speed is equal to 3 v1 v2 v3 divided by v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. Substitute all these values. 3 into 10 plus, what is that? Next here into is the v2 V2 is 20. Next 60 divided by V1 V2 means 10 into 20 plus 20 into what is that 60 plus 60 into 10, that is 10 into 60. So average speed is equal to 2. So 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36, 36,000 divided by 200 plus 6 2 is 1200 plus 600. Okay, so 36,000 divided by 2000 get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2 18s, therefore 18 kilometer per hour. Eighth one. Next one, a person walks from home to market. So this is home to market, market, home to market. This distance between them is, what is it mentioned, that is 2.5 kilometers distance. Okay, first person is moving towards the market with the speed V1 is equal to mention, that is 5 kilometer per hour. Next he returned back, market is closed and he returned back with the speed, that is, what is it, 7.5 kilometer per hour. 7.5 kilometer per hour. So he goes to market with 5 kilometer per hour, market is closed and he return back with velocity 7.5 kilometer per hour. Find average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Here we can assume this is half distance, okay, covering with speed V1. Next half distance covering with speed V2. This is S by 2 distance covering with speed V1. Next half distance is covering with speed V2. Then average speed formula is known as, what is it? Here 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Okay, same formula we can apply here. So therefore 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2, 2 into V1 5 into 7.5 divided by 5 plus 7.5. Therefore average speed is equal to 5 are 10, 10 into 7.5 divided by, what is that, 5, 7.5 plus 5, that is 12.5. Then average speed is equal to what is that, 75 divided by, otherwise point get cancelled, then 750 divided by 125, then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5s are 25, 0, here 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 0, 5 6s are, right, 6 kilometer per hour. Seconds. Average speed is equal to 6 into 5 by 18, then 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja, then 5 by 3 meter per second. This is value. Next problem is, what is that? Ninth one. A particle, this is particle, it is covers, what is that? Here 9 by 25th of whole distance. This is whole distance, we can assume, yes. 9 by 25th of distance is in last, what is it? 9 by 25th of whole distance will be covering in last second of its journey. This is first second, one, next second, what is it? T is equal to 2 seconds. Like this way, last second of its journey, T is equal to N, covering displacement S1, here S2, like this way, Sn is equal to what is the value? 9 by 25th of total distance. 9 by 25 of total distance. Right. Then, so last second of its journey, it is covering as what is covered. So up to here, what is the value? Right? In nth second value we can determine. Then you know the ratio, that is 1 is to what is that? 2 is to 3, 5, 6, what is it? Sorry. Here, you know the what is it? Body covers successive intervals, distance ratio, and what is that? Intervals ratio. You know that formula. What is that? 1 east, then 3 east, 5, 7, 9, next 1 east, 4, 9, 16 and 25. This is distance covered in what is it? Successive intervals. This is distance in total interval, right? Here this distance will be covering in first interval. Next, this ratio of the distance will be covering in second interval, like this way. Third, next fourth. This is ratio covering in fifth interval. Therefore, here n value it is equal to fifth. Right. Then what is the acceleration of the particle in first second? This is equal to ut plus half at square. Then u0 a is equal to plus what is it? Value we can determine. T is equal to 1 second. Then s is equal to what is it? 6 meters or centimeters. Now acceleration of this particle we can determine. 6 is equal to 0 plus half into a into t value 1 square. Therefore 6 to is 12. A value 12. What is that? Centimeter per second square. This is acceleration of the particle. It is coming down with acceleration 12. Now what is the total distance covered up to this fifth second? We can measure. Therefore total distance covered up to fifth second. Therefore s is equal to ut plus half at square. Therefore u is equal to 0, free falling body. A is equal to 12 centimeter per second square, coming down with acceleration. T value 5 seconds. Then s is equal to 0 plus half into a value 12 into t is nothing but 5 square. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, s is equal to 6 into 25. So 150 centimeters. Okay.